Hi guys, it's Kay. I am back here at TT Liquor in our lovely Shoreditch venue. So down below me, we've got our cellar bar serving some fantastic cocktails. We've got the liquor store just above that. And above me, baking in the sun, is our roof terrace. Now this drink's called the Wonderland. It's created by our very own Sasa Rudivic, our head bartender. Now the first thing we need, very importantly, is some whiskey. And we're using this lovely Yellowstone Bourbon, which has a really nice kind of soft caramelly flavor to it. And we want 40 mils of our bourbon. All right, so our next ingredient is going to be some Oleo Saccharum. Now this stuff is pretty sweet, so we only need about 10 mils of our Oleo Saccharum. I'm going to go ahead and fill this glass maybe about 3/4 of the way with cubed ice. Beautiful. Now to top this up, we're going to be using some of this lovely 3 cents pink grapefruit soda. I'm just going to top my glass up with our grapefruit soda. Go, beautiful. And I'll give that a little stir. We're going to garnish this with a nice long piece of grapefruit peel. Just going to twist that up over the top, pop it in there, and we'll just add a little bit more ice. Like so. And that is our Wonderland ready to drink.